Hello you guys, in the last lesson we learned about pets, right? So can you tell me some pets you have learned? Xin chào tất cả các em. Trong bài học lần trước chúng ta đã học về chủ đề pets đúng không nhỉ? Pets chính là thú cưng hay những con vật nuôi mà chúng ta thường hay nuôi trong gia đình đúng không nhỉ? Vậy các bạn có thể kể cho cô một số con pets mà các bạn đã được học không? What are they? What pets do you know? Yeah, dog. What else? Cat. Yeah, rabbit. And bird. Okay, to start the lesson today, we'll meet and talk with Nam to review a little bit about the last lesson. Okay. Trước khi bài học ngày hôm nay, chúng ta sẽ gặp và nói chuyện cùng bạn Nam một chút để chúng ta ôn lại một chút về chủ đề lần trước nhé. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Hello Nam. Hello Miss Tian. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Do you have any pets? Yes, I do. What pets do you have? I have birds. Let's count. 1 bird, 2 birds, 3 birds. How many birds? I have 3 birds. Okay, through the talk with Nam, so can you tell me how many birds does he have? Yeah, he has 3 birds, right? Okay, and in the lesson today, we'll continue learn about animals, but we can learn about other kinds of animals, is farm animal. Okay, you can look at the picture here. So can you tell me what are they? Yeah, they are animals. The farmer often feeds in the farm, right? This is in the farm, right? And we call them is farm animals. Okay. Các bạn có thể nhìn hình ở đây. Đây cô gọi những con vật này chính là farm animals. Vậy các bạn có thể đoán được farm animal chính là gì không nhỉ? Chính là những con vật nuôi ở trong trang trại, đúng không nhỉ? Các bạn có thể nhìn đấy, đây có những con vật nuôi gì nhỉ? Yeah, chicken, right? Sheep, pig, cows, horse, and goat. And the lesson today you will learn about them. Trong bài học ngày hôm nay chúng ta sẽ học về những con vật này. Okay, let's start. Okay, what animal is it?
Duck. Duck. Duck.
Duck. Duck. Duck. Duck. Say again.
Duck.
Yeah. And what's its sound? Yeah. Quack, quack, quack. Right? Yeah. Next. Do you know what this animal?
Goat. Goat.
Goat. Goat. Goat. Goat. Goat. Say again.
Goat. Goat.
Yeah. Goat. Chính là con gì nhỉ các bạn? Con lừa đấy, đúng không nhỉ? This is sound. Me, 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 right? And I think that you know this kind of animal, right? Because it's very
Horse.
popular, right?
Horse.
Horse. Horse. Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Horse. Horse. Okay. And this is sound. Neigh, 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 right? Neigh, neigh, neigh. And the next one?
Cow.
Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Cow. K. Ow. cow. The dairy products is made from cow, right? You can there are many children like milk, right? Milk is made from the cow, right? Okay, let's see. What does it mean in Vietnamese? Yeah, đây là chính là con bò sữa, đúng không nhỉ? Hay con bò đó. This is its sound. Đây là tiếng kêu của nó đấy. Okay, now you can listen and then you will tell me the picture you hear. Okay.
Duck. Duck.
What picture? Yeah, duck. Duck. So, what is it? Yeah.
Duck. Goat. Goat.
What can you hear? Yeah, goat. Goat. Yeah, 3, right?
Goat.
Cow. Cow.
Yeah, cow. Cow. So what picture? Yeah, 1.
Cow. Horse. Horse.
Yeah, horse. 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 4.
Horse.
Okay, now you can listen and say the word again.
Cow.
Duck. Goat.
Horse.
Yeah, good. And now you can match the picture with the word. Okay, picture 1. What is this? It's a duck, right? And you match with A, B, C, or D? Yeah, C, right?
Duck.
And 2, what is this? Yeah, this is a cow. And you match with A, B, or D? Yeah, B, right?
Cow.
And 3, what is this? Yeah, it's a horse, right? It's a horse. So you match with A or D? Yeah, D.
Horse.
Horse. And 4, yeah, it's a goat, right? A goat. And you match with
Goat.
A? Goat. Cow. Duck. Horse. Okay, good. And this is memory game. Do you like this game? Okay, so what number do you want to open? Yeah, I will help you to open. Okay, 4. Is it correct? No, right? Goat. Sorry, I will open the number first. Okay, oh my god. Is it a duck? Yes, it's a duck. Good. And next one? Horse. Is it correct? No, right? Yeah. Is it a goat? Yes, good job. It's a goat, right? So do you remember B or C is a cow? B? Yeah. It's a cow, right? It's a cow. And 1 is a horse. Horse. Okay, good. And now you will go to the farmer. Go to the farm, okay? He's a farmer. He's a farmer and this is his farm, okay? And you will listen the sounds and then you will get what animal is this, okay? What animal is this? What animal in the stable? Yeah. Listen again. Is it a goat? Oh, is it a duck? No, it's not a duck, right? It's cow.
Cow.
Yeah, it's a cow. Good job. Next. What animal is it? Yeah, it's a horse, right?
Horse.
Horse. Good. Next. What animal is it? Yeah, it's a duck, right? It's a duck.
Duck.
Yeah. Next. What is this? Is it a rabbit? No, right? It's not a rabbit. Okay, is it a hen? A hen is a kind of chicken. Okay, it's not a chicken, right? It's a goat.
Goat.
Yeah, goat. Next. Okay, now we will move on to course book today. You can look at here. Your farm animals you have learned, right? Okay, now you could say the word again. What is this? Yeah, goat. Okay. And how many goats? Yeah. Okay, let's count. 1 goat, 2 goats, 3 goats, 4 goats. Goats, right? More than 2 goats. You have to say goats, right? Goats. Okay. So what is this? Yeah, duck. And can you say the word here? Yeah, ducks. Because there are 5 ducks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 2 ducks, right? You have to say ducks. Okay, ducks. Next, what is this? Yeah, cow. And this is your cows, right? Cows. Sorry, cows. And this one? Yeah, horse. And this one? Yeah, horses. You okay? Pay attention here. Horses. Okay. This word pronoun quite different with other word, right? Horses. Okay. Từ này các bạn khi trên 2 con, đúng không nhỉ? Trước cô giáo cũng nhắc rồi, đúng không nhỉ? Nếu mà trên con vật này hay là đồ vật mà trên số lượng trên 2 thì chúng ta phải có thêm s ở đằng sau nhé. Ok. Các bạn chú ý từ này. Chúng ta đọc là goats. Ducks. Âm gió ra nhé các bạn nhé. Nhưng mà riêng từ cows thì âm này là âm trung cổ họng rồi. Cows. Còn horses. Ok. Bây giờ cô sẽ cho các bạn nghe một lại lần nữa nhé.
Page 40. Farm animals. A. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Goat. Goats.
2.
Duck. Ducks.
3.
Cow. Cows.
4.
Horse. Horses.
Okay. Now we move on to the next part. Okay, look at here. What her name? Yeah, her name is Julie, right? Okay, so what his name? Yeah, his name is Danny. What his name? Yeah, his name is Mike. What's her name? Yeah, her name is Amber. So where are they? Họ đang ở đâu đây nhỉ? They are in the farm, right? They are in the farm. Họ đang ở đâu đây? Ở trong trang trại đúng nhỉ? They are in the farm, right? Okay. There are many farm animals in the farm, right? Có rất là nhiều những con vật, những con gia súc gia cầm ở trong trang trại, đúng không nhỉ? Okay. So tell me, what are they? Chúng là gì đây? They are goats, right? They are goats. Okay. So how many goats? Có bao nhiêu con nhỉ các bạn? How many là hỏi về số lượng đúng nhỉ? Có nghĩa là bao nhiêu con? How many goats? Có bao nhiêu con cừu, bao nhiêu con lừa vậy? How many goats? Okay, now let's count. In order to know how many goats are there, let's count. Okay, 1 goat, 2 goats, 3 goats, 4 goats, 5 goats, 6 goats, 7 goats, 8 goats. Okay, so how many goats? Yeah, 8 goats, right? 8 goats. Next one. Okay, how many ducks? Có bao nhiêu con vịt nhỉ các bạn? How many ducks? Yeah, one duck, right? One duck. Okay, next. What are they? Yeah, what are they? They are cows, right? They are cows. How many cows? How many cows? Okay. Now let's count. Các bạn tự đếm cho cô nhé. One cow, two cows, three cows, four cows, five cows, six cows, seven cows, eight cows, nine cows, 10 cows. So how many cows? Yeah, 10 cows, right? Good job. Okay, next. What are they? Yeah, they are horses, right? They are horses. So how many horses? 1, 2, 3. 3 horses in the farm, right? Okay, good job. Okay, now you can listen and then you go to the correct farm animal in the picture, okay?
How many horses?
3 horses.
How many horses? Yeah, 3 horses. So picture in 1, 2, 3, or 4 has 3 horses. Yeah, this, right? Next.
How many ducks? 9 ducks.
How many ducks? Yeah, 9 ducks. So what picture have ducks? Yeah, picture, right? Next.
How many cows?
10 cows.
How many cows? Yeah, 10 cows. So what picture has 10 cows? Okay, this last one, right?
How many cows?
10 cows. How many goats?
8 goats.
How many goats? Yeah, 8 goat, right? First one. Okay, good job. Okay, now we practice more. Okay, now you could look at the picture here, and then you could, I will ask, okay? Miss Tim will ask, and you will answer, okay? How many horses? Yeah, 1 horse. Okay, you pay attention. It's only 1 horse. You do not put you don't say that horses. Okay, 1 horse, 1 horse. Okay, các bạn chú ý nhé. Nếu mà có 1 con thì các bạn phát âm là 1 horse. Còn nếu mà từ 2 con trở lên thì các bạn phải đọc là 2 horses, 3 horses. Okay. Next. How many goats? Yeah, 1 goat. How many cows? 2 cows. How many cows? 1 cow. How many ducks? 1 duck. How many goats? Yeah, 4 goats. How many horses? Yeah, 3 horses. How many ducks? Yeah, 5 ducks. Okay, next. How many cows? Yeah, 2 cows. How many goats? Yeah, 4 goats. Good. Next. How many horses? Yeah, I have 1 horse. How many goats? Yeah, 1 goat. Okay, first pay attention here. Goat. Okay, goat. How many ducks? Yeah, 5 ducks. How many horses? Yeah, 3 horses. How many cows? Yeah, 1 cow. Okay, next game, you will have to find the chicken. Okay, but you will choose correct option. Okay. How many cows? How many cows? Okay, 2 cows, 3 cows, 1 cow, or 5 cows? Yeah, 2 cows. Next, how many ducks? Yeah, 1 duck. How many goats? Yeah, 4 goats. Okay. How many horses? Yeah, 1 horse. How many ducks? Yeah, 5 ducks. How many birds? Yeah, 6 birds. How many rabbits? Yeah, 5 rabbits. Okay, 5 rabbits. Okay, now move on here. Hello. What's your name? Yeah, you can tell your name, right? Okay, so what pet do you have? Pets, right? We will review about the lesson about pets, right? What pets do you have? You can say that I have dogs or cats, right? I have dogs. So how many pets do you have? How many dogs do you have? You can say I have 2 dogs, right? Okay. Thế câu hỏi các bạn về chủ đề ngày hôm nay nhé. What farm animals do you have? Yeah, gia đình các bạn có những con động vật, có vật nuôi nào trong trang trại nhỉ? Okay, what farm animals does your family have? Yeah, you can say we have ducks, right? I have ducks. Okay. So how many ducks? How many ducks do you have? Dạ, các bạn có thể nói là I have 5 ducks hoặc là we have 5 ducks. We là chúng tôi mà, đúng không nhỉ? We have 5 ducks. Ok, chúng tôi có, gia đình của chúng tôi có 5 con, đúng không? Ok, hay là my family has 5 ducks. Ok, so now look at this animal. Okay, this animal, they are pets, right? Okay, and you imagine that they are yours. Các bạn hình dung đây là những con pets của các bạn, và cô sẽ hỏi các bạn nhé. Okay, what pets do you have? What pets do you have? Các bạn có thú nuôi nào đây nhỉ? Vật nuôi nào đây nhỉ? Hay gọi là thú cưng đó, đúng không? What pets do you have? Và các bạn trả lời là gì? I have birds. I have birds. How many birds do you have? How many birds do you have? Các bạn có bao nhiêu con chim vậy? How many birds do you have? Các bạn, I have, có bao nhiêu con đây nhỉ? I have 5 birds. I have 5 birds. Right? Okay, next. What pets do you have? Yeah, I have dogs. I have dogs. Okay. So how many dogs do you have? How many dogs do you have? Bạn trả lời nào nhỉ? Yeah, I have mấy con đây? I have 2 dogs. Okay, I have 2 dogs. Okay, next. What pets do you have? Yeah, I have 3. I have rabbits. Yeah, I have rabbits. So how many rabbits do you have? How many rabbits? How many rabbits? Yeah, 3 rabbits, right? 3 rabbits. Or you can say that I have 3 rabbits. Okay. Next, what pets do you have? Các bạn trả lời là gì nhỉ? I have cats. I have cats. So how many cats? How many cats do you have? How many cats? Yeah, 3 cats, right? I have 3 cats. Okay, good. Okay, your lesson is finished here. You could practice more at home and you will count and number your family, farm animals or pets. Okay, goodbye. See you. Take care.